Hi friends, I'm Keshav Puri, your Flipkart Tech Pro. And today let's see what Samsung has to offer with the Samsung Galaxy F62. Samsung introduced the F series with Samsung Galaxy F41 last year. Now, Samsung is back with another member of the F series, the Samsung Galaxy F62. Let's see what this phone has to offer. Samsung Galaxy F62 is powered by the flagship Exynos 9825 processor, which was previously available in the Samsung Galaxy Note series. This is one of the fastest processors available under Rs 25,000. There is absolutely no doubt about the performance of this device, which, as you can see, is flawless. It's as good as it can get. It also has a Mali G76 GPU, which enhances your gaming experience. This phone is definitely fast. Galaxy F62 is powered by a massive 7000 mAh battery. Now, that's as big as it gets in smartphones. The 7000 mAh battery ensures that the smartphone is up and running for days. It also comes with a 25-watt fast charger to ensure that your phone charges really quick. Galaxy F62 comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. Super AMOLED Plus displays are really a notch above even AMOLED displays when it comes to visual quality. The picture quality in this device is very vibrant. You can completely immerse yourself in the content on the screen. We have a 64-megapixel quad camera setup in the rear, which clicks great images. The images are very crisp and detailed. It also has a very impressive 32-megapixel selfie camera too, which again is quite impressive. Friends, the Samsung Galaxy F62 is easily one of those devices which pushes the limit. It ticks all the right boxes, be it processor, battery, camera or display. This device offers the best available at this price point. Also, you can use Flipkart's Smart Upgrade program to buy a Samsung Galaxy F62, using which you can own a phone by paying just 70% of the cost. You can either choose to return it after a year and upgrade to another phone, or pay the 30% advance discount to continue using the device. If you're looking to upgrade your smartphone every year, the Flipkart Smart Upgrade plan is made for you. That's it from me, Keshav, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Hope I could help you in your search for your new smartphone.